My name is Crystal. I'm an occupational therapist here at the Sierra Rehab. I wanted to go over how to perform some of the daily activities while following hip or spinal precautions. So a few of the things that you can't do with a hip precaution, you can't bend more than 90 degrees. So you can't bend forward, you can't cross your legs, that's a no-no, and then you can't turn your foot in. So by having these hip precautions, it makes doing some of these tasks a little difficult. But luckily we have some equipment here that should help you perform these things while following these precautions. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to introduce you to the equipment. So the first thing is you should get one of these. It may look a little different, but the idea is you use it in the shower. So it's a sponge with a handle on it so that you can wash your feet and reach the bottom part without bending forward too much. So that's the sponge. Then we have the dressing stick. So what I like to use this for is to help kick your shoes off and your socks. Here we go. And see, I can do this without bending over too much. So that's what this is used for, which is really nice. Let me put my sock back on. All right. And then we have the reacher. This is going to be nice to help put your pants on while following your hip precautions and not leaning over. So the easiest way to do this would be, you want to put in your operated leg first. So let's say that's my right leg that I just got a new hip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little reacher here. I'm going to grab the right side of the pants. That way I can lower it down and I can slide my right foot in like this without bending over. Once I do that, I'm going to pull the pants all the way up, and I'll do the same thing with the left leg. So I'll grab it here, slide my left leg in, again without bending over, and then I have my pants here. And then I'll take my walker, I'll push up from the wheelchair to stand up, grab here for balance, and then I can pull my pants up. There we go, we did the pants without breaking any of our hip precautions. To take them off, we're going to pull the pants down. And then we always want to reach back when we sit down. There we go. Move that out of the way so you can see. And we'll take our dressing stick and we'll push the pants off. There we go. All right. So that's how you use those pieces of equipment. The next thing I want to show you is how to use the sock aid. So this is the sock aid. What you're going to do, you can try starting out holding it between your knees to begin with. Then you're going to place the sock on top here, and then you'll pull it all the way to the toe. Once it's at the toe, you'll hold the two handles and you'll toss it out in front of your foot. You place your foot inside and then you pull it up. Ta-da! Not too bad, huh? Alright, so that's how you use the sock aid. Take my sock back off. is going to be the shoehorn. So, this is how this works. You're going to place the shoehorn inside the shoe first, and then you slide your foot in. You want to put your heel on the shoehorn so that it just slides right down into the shoe. You pull it out, and there you go. You have your shoe on. So that's how you do some of the daily things with the equipment that we will be providing you. If you have any other questions, feel free to call or email us. Thanks.